In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize the performance of After Effects by adjusting some crucial settings. This is especially helpful if your workflow is being hindered by sluggish performance or unexpected delays. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to allocate more resources to After Effects and ensure your disk cache is well optimized for snappy responsiveness. First, let's jump into the Settings menu to make some important adjustments. If you're on a Windows machine, you'll start by navigating to the top menu and clicking on Edit. From there, you'll want to head down to Preferences and then select Memory and Performance. If you're using a Mac OS system, the path is slightly different. Begin with After Effects in the top menu, then click on Preferences and proceed to Memory and Performance. Regardless of your operating system choice, this will bring you to the same Settings menu. Here, you'll notice an important option labeled RAM available for After Effects. By default, After Effects and your computer's operating system have a balanced resource allocation. However, if the software is lagging, it can be beneficial to boost the performance by increasing the RAM available for After Effects. Simply reduce the amount reserved for other applications. Be mindful of other applications you might need open simultaneously, as this change prioritizes After Effects over them. A good practice is to gradually increase the memory available and monitor performance improvements, ensuring you find the sweet spot between After Effects efficiency and the seamless running of your other essential programs. As a secondary step, it's essential to check on your disk cache settings, which can significantly affect how your system handles temporary files and how fast data is accessed. Still within Preferences, navigate to Media and Disk Cache. Here, ensure that the disk cache drive has enough space. If your drive is running low, not only can performance suffer, but you might also encounter issues with file saves and renders. A fast drive for your disk cache is key. Consider using an SSD if you aren't already, as it provides faster read and write speeds compared to a traditional HDD. By making these adjustments, you'll enhance After Effects' ability to handle complex projects, leading to a more efficient workflow and smoother overall experience. Remember to periodically revisit these settings as your hardware changes, or if performance issues arise again in the future. And that's it for our session on optimizing After Effects performance by tweaking RAM and disk cache settings. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your creative tools.